Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to auto summarize PDFs with ChatPDF. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to auto summarize PDFs with ChatPDF, all you gotta do is simply open ChatPDF AI. So once you open your ChatPDF AI, all you gotta do is simply sign up for unlocking more features, or you can simply upload a PDF itself. So once you open and upload a PDF, you can simply get it on the screen of your mobile device and so you can simply get it all summarized on your screen after you have uploaded the PDF file itself. So by doing this, you can simply get auto summarization of PDFs with the help of ChatPDF in seconds. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.